Jupiter has been conquered with a nice ammo can. Yikes! We gotta get out of here. And my Cache Canada travel bug made a little visit here too. Now it's time for me to say adieu. Ooh, kind of got my finger. Yikes. Subscribe, like, I'll see you guys later. I'm on my way to Saturn. I think that's where Titan is, the moon Titan. And we know who's there. Let's see if we can track him down.